So now I created a roof with a pitch of 5 degrees, and if we now place a wall under it, we could cut it to the lower edge of the roof area. So with F4 we change to panel view, and we mark it and modify with a double click. Here you can set the position of the timber substructure. So 0 would be the roof area, but if we want to cut the wall to the rafter, we could fill in the dimension of it, for example 20 centimeters. Then we go to layers and division, and here we say you bevel to the roof area. Alright, yes, it's okay. Alright, and here to the right you can see that the wall has been cut off. So now we can create a top boom. Go to wall members and place free. So the saw plate, let's take 14 centimeters. Alright, so here you can see it's just normal. So we go to the right and click on calculate, and now it made it automatically. So, but for now we go back one step, and the permission that it works is that the settings of the clipping wall outline is automatic. So if there would be nothing, then for example you can click on calculate and nothing will happen. So keep an eye on that. Well, for now we change it again. And you'll see it works. Alright, it works the same way if a post is in the wall, so for now we can delete this one. And so we go to the top view. And if we want to connect these two walls like they are, we can cut the timber. So here again, we go back to panel view, and here we can place it to a reference line. So we take a post with, for example, 16 centimeters. All right. So here it cuts itself automatically. So it works like this. And here it could be different if someone wants to place it the other way. So then we can measure it. For example, this is 17.3 centimeters. So we can take a post with a height of 18 centimeters. We go to 3CAT and then timber component. And yeah, here we can, for example, take a post with 8 centimeters, and here is the 18. Alright, so now we can insert it. Okay. It's very important that you take the 3-cat timber. So now we go back to the ground plan, and here we give it the right position. So we mark it and go to position. I would recommend take this instance for 3-cat timber. So first one, it's okay. The second one is okay too, and then we take it to this one. All right. So, and here again you can mark it, and with position we can rotate it. So from here, as you see, it won't catch the angle. So we have to draw a line. So we can go to CAD line, and then we can draw a line with a 90 degree to this line. And now again we can mark it, go to position, rotate, and now it catches the angle. So and now we can punch it in form. So punch box. So this one and this one.